A quick video on how to install a Z-mount shutter. When you receive your shutters, you'll have one long skinny box where the frame will be in, and then depending on how many panels you have, which is determined by the width of your shutter, you'll have panel boxes as well. The next step is to lay out your frame. It'll be labeled top, bottom, left, and right. A Z-frame is going to come with what's called a Hoffman key, which will line the frames up together. Go ahead and slide them together. Repeat on all four sides. Next, place the frame in front of the window. Once you place the frame in the window, you're ready for install. A Z-frame shutter has to fit the window opening, which may not necessarily be level. You want to put a couple tack screws on the left and the right of the shutter to hold it in place. Next step will be to unpack your panels. Go ahead and insert your panel into the frame and then insert the hinge pins through the hinges. Once you have your shutter centered on the window where you'd like it, go ahead and open up the panel and put a nail or a screw in place to hold the shutter where you'd like it. Once you've checked to make sure the shutter is operating properly, go ahead and open the panel and finish adding your nails or screws around to hold it in place. After you're done installing, go ahead and adjust the tension on the louvers if needed to make the louvers tighter or looser as you desire. Do not over tighten. It's that easy. 10 to 15 minutes worth of work each window.